All right, so here we're gonna try number 3 here. So this one also has a preparation page, and it has these formulas on it, which are great. We're gonna need these. So I'm gonna go ahead and copy these, so when I move over to the next slide, I can still see them. So we have Fahrenheit and Kelvin. All right, let's get rid of this circle. All right, so this problem gives me Fahrenheit and it wants me to calculate what is Celsius and Kelvin. So I can start by plugging in my Fahrenheit into this formula and solving for C. It might also be easier if I solve for C before I plug it in. So I'm going to do that. All right, so minus 32 from each side times 5/9. All right, so C by itself would be 5/9 times Fahrenheit minus 32. All right, so there's my formula. Now I can plug it into here. So I'm going to do 92 minus 32, which would be 60 times 5/9. So I'm going to go over to a calculator for that one. All right, and I got 108. All right, so the next, oh, all right, and I got 33.3. All right, so then the next formula going from um, to Kelvin is really simple when you have Celsius. So we just solve for Celsius. So in fact, I just take this, getting really messy here, and plug it in here. All right, so I'm going to do 33.3 plus 273, and I get 306.3. All right, so we have 33.3, 306.3. There we go. All right, we'll do the other one too. So now we have our formula for Celsius. So I'm going to write this over here so we don't have to solve for it again. And I'm going to erase everything else. Oh, I erased everything. Okay. Celsius equals 5/9 times Fahrenheit minus 32. All right, and then Kelvin equals 32 plus 273. So we're getting our answer in Celsius again. Oh no, I'm sorry. Now we're giving it in Fahrenheit and we want to solve for we're giving it in Celsius and we want to solve for Fahrenheit. So that is this route. All right. So Fahrenheit equals 9/5 times 42 plus 32. So I'm going to go to my calculator, do 9 divided by 5 times 42 plus 32, and I get 107.6. And then for Kelvin, I'm going to take my original number, not the number we solved for this time, and plug it into this formula. So 42 plus 273 equals 315. All right, so 107.6, 315. There we go. All right, let's do an example for number 4 here. All right, so this one, you're just finding what the symbol of the element is on the periodic table, and you're given its group number. Ignore these Roman numerals, so it's group 17 and period 5. All right. So if you go over to a periodic table, which I prefer to use ptable.com. All right, so your Um, periods are across the top, and your groups are down. No, I'm sorry. Your groups are across the top, your periods are down. All right. So group 17 is going to be in this row, period 5. All right. So I for I9. So we'll come over here and type that in. And then we have 13 and 6, 13, 6, TL. Then 6 and 4, 6, 4, CR. 2 and 5, SR. All right, there we go. And oh, this one's a little different. Let's do this one. So this one, you're finding the element, and this time, instead of giving the symbol, you're going to give its atomic number. Ooh. All right, you're going to give its atomic number. All right. So the atomic number is this number in the top left. All right. So same thing here. We're going to find the element. Instead of saying its symbol, we're going to say the number. So 13.5 IN with a number of 49. 18.1 helium with a number of 2. 4.4 titanium with 22. 1.6 cesium with 55. All right, there we go.